Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix a DeepSeek AI app verification code not receiving. So if you're trying to create your account on DeepSeek but you don't get the verification code, so I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first thing you have to do is that you have to open the DeepSeek app. Once you open it up, you will get to this page where you have to sign in. So what you can do is that you can either sign it with your email address or your Google account. But before doing anything, if you have any sort of VPN in your mobile phone, just simply go to that VPN and enable it. Once you connect your VPN, and after that you just have to simply get back and try to create account once again. So what you have to do is that just simply close your VPN and open DeepSeek. So what you have to do it is that instead of entering your email address, password and anything, what you can do is that you can just simply sign it with your Google account. By doing that, it would not ask you to enter any sort of code. So just simply sign it with your Google account and after that your account will be created. When you sign in with your Google account that is logged in your mobile phone, then it would not ask you for any sort of verification code. But if you don't sign in with your account, then you can just simply enter your email address, password. Then if you're using the VPN, you will receive your verification code on your email and you will enter up there, and after that your account will be created. So that's how you can fix the DeepSeek AI not receiving code. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.